naging reception ni Tots. Hopefully this time around, mas makakapanya na yung bola on that first pass.
A good start here for the Cool Smashers.
They had that advantage in set number 1. The numbers showed that already. So if they can continue to deliver hard serves to push Cherry Tigo out of system, they will have an easier time getting ni Batista. Kailangan mas tumibay pa yung defense system ng Creamline.
Back row attack for Carlos. And coverage extremely good for the Cherry EB crossovers, but back-to-back points for Schwan to start set number 2. Anything you see that they could do better here in set number 2?
I'm just looking for the numbers of Aragalang actually.
Okay.
Because she can also score.
Only 3 points for Galang. 2 in the first set and 1 so far, very early here in set number 2. And Schwan this time from the back row again.
Same output from the reinforcement of the Cherry EV crossovers.
But right now, all of the 3 points of the Cool Smashers coming from Coco Schwanlin, scoring 3 attack points and a couple aces. Vicar to Batista. Carlos rejected, but it goes outside. The run continues. Biggest lead for the Cool. Short serve, much better pass. Galang. Schwan picks it up. Negrito out to Carlos. Blocked, but it stays in. Coverage is there for the Cool Smashers, and everything they're hitting just finds the floor. 7 points, 8-1. Set number 2. Batista looking for the side out is finally there. Atienza or then Lazaro Revilla. Panaga. Batista goes up and scores again. Back-to-back for Batista. She's got 11. Cherry EB crossovers still down by 6. Galang can't make up for the mistake. Gumabaw says, mine. Carlos with a hit. Vicar underhand pass. Batista scored 2 in a row and make that 3 in a row. Gumabaw serving for the Cool Smashers. Robles with a much better pass. And again, Gaston, you mentioned how high her efficiency is.
You have strong attackers in the front row.
This is the closest the Cherry EV crossovers have been since trailing by 7. Carlos, cut shot, picked up by Robles. Nierva doing a pretty good job keeping it alive on the second touch. Carlos, second straight try, rejected. Gumabaw back to Carlos, third straight try with a left hand. Gaston from the pipe, Batista. And now Schwan answers. Rolls it over, scores! Sit on a 4-point lead, but right now this isn't safe with the way the Cherry EV crossovers have been making a run. This one, almost an overpass. Gaston, good job defending at the net. Schwan, there's a dig by Nierva. Batista from the pipe, popped up by Gumabaw. And Carlos looking to answer. Another drop shot, pancake save. Nierva, Robles. Yes! What an exchange here. 4 points for Robles, 2 in the first, 2 here in the second. Schwan, got it.
She can also go for power. The other team,
they're going to have to do extra hits just to score against these top-notch defenders. Meantime, that one into the net for Robles.
at some point, you have to use her kasi sa mga double substitutions, nakakuha sila ng instant production also from Pat.
There's a solid block by Paraño. 2 straight points for the Cherry EV crossovers. That's the front line for the Cherry EV crossovers. Maraño, Batista, and but again, Schwan. 4-point game. Maraño with a great serve. Combination play. Carlos drills it in.
What a hit from Tots alongside Pauline Gaston.
Combination play again. Carlos Robles with coverage in the back row. Here comes Batista. Got it.
Wow. Just out of reach of the defenders.
Gumabaw. Off the block and outside. Second set. Short pass. Carlos Batista, great defense. Robles. That one popped up by Gumabaw. This is going to be an off-system play. Really tight at the net. Easy pickup for Gaston. Gaston on the run. Gaston with a dump. Popped up. And sent over by Schwan. Another chance ball. Another shot. This one defended well again by the Cool Smashers. Carlos now with a hit. Yerba with great defense. Robles looking for the side out. Not there yet. Batista from the pipe. Got it. The run continues. It's a one-point game.
Happened in front of the first referee. Walang takas, says Robles.
Batista with the push. Villarete pops it up. Atienza back to Schwan. Schwan moving so well on the court. Paat with a touch. 2 in a row. Scored by the Cool Smashers. Back to a more comfortable 3-point lead for the Cool Smashers. Carlos with a nice serve. Robles through the double block for the side out. Vicar finds Paat, block, but it goes outside, so Paat with a side out.
Second point for
And then Robles can't hit the occasional back row shot. Oh, Schwan. What a second set for Schwan. Ace would be awesome right now for the Cherry EV crossovers. This one an overpass, and Batista puts it away. Gotta get the serve in. Put some service pressure, but get it in. There it is. They're targeting Schwan. Carlos for the win. No. Schwan chases it down. Gonna be an easy over. Easiest pickup for the Cherry EV crossovers. Batista rejected. Paat keeping it alive now. A chance to put it away for the Cool Smashers. Here comes Carlos. No, the set was slow. Robles to Batista. And this one saved by Carlos. Another easy over for the Cool Smashers. Ooh. Batista. That one catches the line. Leonie Batista saving
Always
another.
have to claim their balls.
Over eagerness to keep it alive. Good pass. Gumabaw. Maraño now a chance to tie. Vicar. Oh, a rejection. Pams Panaga. What a way to finish it off, stopping the run.